Hi, in this video, we will show you how to enter initial inventory levels to your MRPeasy account. If you have finished the testing of your company processes in MRPeasy and are ready to go live, the first thing you should do is clean test data from your database. There are two ways to clean your database, which you will find at Settings, Database, Maintenance. First, you can clear all the data completely and start entering your items from the very beginning. Even though this process is more laborious, it is our recommended approach. Second, if you are sure about your items' descriptions, vendors, bills of materials, and routings, and you want to keep them, you can simply delete all transactions. Once the database is cleaned and items are set up properly, you should do a stocktake, after which you can start entering the actual quantity of items. There are three places you can do that. First, the quick and universal way of updating inventory is in the Stock Inventory section. You can either manually key in the numbers or upload a file with the values. From the above, you can select the location in which you are updating the inventory. Then, enter the new inventory quantity and save. When adjusting inventory like this, MRPeasy will try to automatically establish the cost of the item. You can find more information about this from the Quick Help. In case you already have all the info on a spreadsheet, you can save it as a CSV file and upload it. The file should have information about each item's quantity, actual cost per unit, and optionally, site and storage location information. In our example, we have one item in two storage locations and another item in a single storage location. For the item, which has inventory in two storage locations, there are two lines in the file, corresponding to each storage location. Second, it is possible to set the initial inventory levels in the Stock Items Import from CSV section. If you are creating new items, you can set their inventory levels at the same time. The file should include columns with quantity in stock and cost per one unit. Note that this method cannot be used if items have already been created. Third, you can enter the inventory at the Stock Lots section, where you have full control over all the details. You can manually create a new stock lot by clicking the plus button, and then manually define its details. Also, for example, if you already track stock lots, you could import these from a CSV file. Now, you should have your inventory set up, and you should be good to go. Later, when you are doing inventory adjustments, you could use the Stock Inventory screen to automatically create new stock lots or write-offs. Alternatively, if you want more control, you can use the stock lots and write-off screens, because these allow manually setting all the variables. Like, for example, using special write-off codes. Thank you for watching. Please see our other videos for more about MRPeasy.